Welcome to Home of Math. Algebraic expression. This video we are going to prove a cube plus 1 by a cube equals to 18 root 3 by cubic formula. Let's start. If we see the question, here is if a equals to root 3 plus root 2, prove that a cube plus 1 by a cube equals to 18 root 3. Look, here is two things. First thing, a cube, for a cube we can use root 3 plus root 2. So how about 1 divide a cube? In this case we have to find the value of 1 by a, right? Second, which formula we will use? In cubic formula, like a plus b whole cube, we know a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. By this formula we can make more formula like this, right? Now we have two things in cubic formula. One is value and one is factor. So here what we will use, let's see. So we can write given a equals to root 3 plus root 2. So first we say we have to find out the result of 1 by a. So 1 by a, it means 1 by root 3 plus root 2. So we have to memorize, or we have to know about one thing. We will not keep any root sign in the denominator. Therefore in numerator and denominator we will use a number which one can help us to avoid root sign in the denominator. Therefore here is root 3 plus root 2, we can use root 3 minus root 2, okay? And then here is also same thing, root 3 plus root 2 times root 3 minus root 2. So in here we can write multiply root 3 minus root 2 with numerator and denominator, okay? And now look, it's looking a plus b, a minus b. Therefore we can write like this, root 3 minus root 2, and here is root 3 square minus root 2 square, okay? Now root 3 minus root 2, and this one become, once we square with root, root will be out. So here is 3 minus 2, and here root 3 minus root 2, 3 minus 2, it means 1. So we can write 1 by a equals to what? Root 3 minus root 2, okay? So two things we already get. One is a means root 3 plus root 2, and 1 by a means root 3 minus root 2. Now we will prove a cube plus 1 by a cube equals to 18 root 3. So here we can use, okay? So left hand side equals to a cube plus 1 by a cube. Now question, which formula we will use? So here is one formula. Look, a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. This is for factor. Okay, and here is a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. This one for value, and here is also value. This one we can write like this: a plus b whole cube minus, we can write here a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. Similar, we can write like this: a plus 1 by a whole cube minus 3ab, a means a, b means 1 by a, times a plus b, it means a plus 1 by a. Okay. Now, we already get the value of a and 1 by a. A means root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 by a means root 3 minus root 2, and here a and a out, minus 3. Again we will write here root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2. Now look, here root 2 and root 2 out, we can write here 2 root 3, and here is cube, right? Cube minus here root 2 and root 2 out, so we can write here 3 times root 3 plus root 2 means 2 root 3. 2 cube, it means 8, times root 3 cube means 3 root 3 minus 3 times 2, it means 6 root 3. 8 times 3 means 24 root 3 minus 6 root 3. Now look, 24 root 3 minus 6 3, it means 18 root 3, which is right hand side. Clear? This is very important math for examination. So our question answer done. Hope you understand this one. If you have any question, just write a line in the comments box, or if you have any opinion about this math or about this channel, please write a line in the comments box. If you think this video is helping you, this channel is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.